Understanding printer connectivity, Bluetooth versus Wi-Fi direct. Title: Understanding printer connectivity, Bluetooth versus Wi-Fi direct. Introduction. In today's digital age, printers have become an integral part of many aspects of our lives. Whether it's printing important documents for the office or capturing cherished memories with photo printin'. At home, having a reliable and convenient printer is crucial. However, with numerous connectivity options available, it's essential to understand the pros and cons of each to make an informed choice. In this article, we will delve into the comparison between Bluetooth and Wi-Fi Direct, two popular printing connectivity options, to help you understand which one suits your needs better. The ease of use and its universal compatibility make Bluetooth connectivity a popular option. 1. Setting up Bluetooth connectivity. Setting up Bluetooth connectivity is relatively simple and requires minimal technical knowledge. Once you pair your device with a printer, they can communicate wirelessly, eliminating the need for cumbersome cables and making it convenient to print from anywhere within the Bluetooth range. 2. Pros of Bluetooth connectivity. B. Portability. Given its short-range nature, Bluetooth is ideal for portable printers that can be carried around easily and used on the go. C. Ease of use. Pairing a Bluetooth-enabled device with a printer is typically a straightforward process that does not require complicated configurations. 3. Cons of Bluetooth connectivity. Limited range. One of the significant drawbacks of Bluetooth is its limited range, typically up to 30 feet. Beyond this range, the connection may become unstable, leading to dropped or slow printing. Processes. B. Wi-Fi direct connectivity. Wi-Fi Direct, on the other hand, offers a different approach to wireless printing. Unlike Bluetooth, Wi-Fi Direct allows devices to connect directly to a printer without the need for an intermediary network or router. This technology provides a more robust and stable connection, making it an excellent choice for heavy-duty printing requirements. 1. Setting up Wi-Fi Direct connectivity. The setup process for Wi-Fi Direct connectivity may vary slightly depending on the printer brand and model. Generally, it involves accessing the printer's settings menu to enable Wi-Fi Direct modem. Then connecting the device wirelessly using the provided network name and password. 2. Pros of Wi-Fi Direct connectivity. Extended range. Wi-Fi Direct offers a significantly larger range than Bluetooth, often reaching up to several hundred feet. This makes it a suitable choice for larger office spaces or homes. B. Faster data transfer. Wi-Fi Direct provides faster data transfer speeds, enabling seamless and quick printing, even for complex documents or high-resolution images. C. Multiple device connectivity. With Wi-Fi Direct, you can connect multiple devices to the printer simultaneously, allowing for efficient collaboration and easy sharing of printing resources. 3. Cons of Wi-Fi Direct connectivity. B. Initial setup complexity. Setting up Wi-Fi Direct connectivity may require a bit more technical expertise compared to Bluetooth. Users may need to navigate printer settings and understand NetWo. RK configurations for a successful connection. Choosing the right connectivity option. When it comes to deciding between Bluetooth and Wi-Fi Direct for printer connectivity, several factors need to be considered. 1. Usage scenario. If portability and quick wireless connection for personal printing needs are your priority, Bluetooth connectivity can be an ideal choice. However, for larger scale operations or heavy-duty printing requirements, Wi-Fi Direct offers better speed, range, and multi-device connectivity. 2. Device compatibility. Consider the devices you regularly use for printing, ensuring they support either Bluetooth or Wi-Fi Direct. Check for compatibility before selecting a printer with a specific. See connectivity option. 4. Technical proficiency. Bluetooth connectivity simplicity makes it accessible to users with minimal technical knowledge. If you are comfortable navigating printer settings and configuring network connections, Wi-Fi Direct can provide additional benefits. Printer connectivity is an important factor to consider when purchasing a printer. In this article, we will compare Bluetooth and Wi-Fi Direct, two popular printing connectivity options, to help you understand which one suits your needs better. Bluetooth connectivity is a wireless communication technology that is commonly used to connect smartphones, tablets, and laptops to printers. It is easy to use and compatible with a wide range of devices. Setting up Bluetooth connectivity is simple and requires minimal technical knowledge. Once you pair your device with a printer, they can communicate wirelessly, allowing you to print from anywhere. Within the Bluetooth range. The pros of Bluetooth connectivity include universal compatibility, portability, and ease of use. Bluetooth is widely supported across various devices, ensuring compatibility regardless of the operating system. It is ideal for portable printers that can be carried around easily. Pairing a Bluetooth-enabled device with a printer is typically a straightforward process. However, Bluetooth has some limitations. One major drawback is its limited range, typically up to 30 feet. Beyond this range, the connection may become unstable, leading to dropped or slow printing processes. Bluetooth connectivity also tends to have slower data transfer speeds compared to other options, which can result in longer print times for larger files or high-resolution